Today, we're taking baked sweet potatoes to the next level. Stuffed with sizzling mix of ground beef and turkey sausage, melty pepper jack cheese, a rainbow of veggies, then crowned with a creamy, spicy bang bang shrimp. This isn't just comfort food, it's a flavor explosion every bite.
You know, when I start dancing, it's real good. Oh my gosh, these flavors of the turkey sausage, ooh, and that sweet potato, and the ground beef. Oh my gosh, it's marrying so well. The next time you make a baked sweet potato, this needs to be a recipe.
Welcome back to my channel. And today we're making a stuffed baked sweet potato. So we're gonna be stuffing it with some sauteed spinach, mushroom, red and yellow bell peppers, and we're also gonna top it off with some cooked ground sausage, turkey sausage, as well as ground beef. We're gonna put a little bit of spice in our life with some pepper jack cheese. And top it off a topping of some shrimp, like a shrimp in a little chili sauce, like almost like bang bang.
So I have my onions and my garlic in here with my red and yellow bell peppers. I'm gonna now put in my mushrooms. We're just gonna saute this. We'll add the spinach last because you know it cooks really quickly and it will to practically nothing as we're used to eating and cooking spinach. I am gonna add some butter in here. I'm also gonna add garlic powder, some onion powder, and some Himalayan salt and black pepper. Because our vegetables just have the natural flavor of the vegetable, but it's not like it has any seasoning taste. And then I'm going to add a little bit of green seasoning to it, my green seasoning. And this is just some herbs and spices, some thyme, some bell peppers, some parsley. And I'm just going to saute that up. And this thing is great on everything and anything, like your magic seasoning. You believe in magic? I do, with my seasoning.
Here are a list of ingredients.
We are just going to add our spinach when it's time, and then we will cook up our meat while our baked potato is baking up. And now if you are a vegetarian or you are a vegan, you can most certainly omit the turkey sausage and the ground beef and the shrimp. You can totally take that out. It's not like it's mandatory, but for those of us that like meat, that's what I'm putting in. So it's completely fine to put with your baked potato by itself. So our veggies are all cooked up. You can see the spinach is now wilted. So I'm gonna remove it from the stovetop, put it in a glass bowl, let it cool down a little bit because we're gonna need to be just a little bit cool, but still warm, not bubbling hot when we have our baked potatoes, because that's going to be scorching hot when we take it out, because we want to be able to eat our food, right? So we don't want anything scorching hot. We just want it hot, warm, hot, not burning hot. So we have here our ground beef and our turkey sausage, and I'm also going to put our onions. Here's our onion. It's a little parsley I had there, and our garlic. A little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and a little dash of Himalayan salt, and my wonderful green seasoning. And I am just going to mash these together so all that flavor and goodness can be incorporated from the ground turkey sausage to the ground meat.
Here's our vitamin content.
Okay, so our turkey sausage as well as our ground beef is all done. So I just cut into our sweet potato. Again, you don't want to cut it all the way down. You just want to cut it down enough, but not all the way down, because then what will happen is you will end up splitting your potato and you're not going to be able to keep it whole. Oh my gosh, look, this is so delicious. It smells so fantastic. And this helps kind of like mash up. So when you kind of pull the sides in, get some butter on here before I do that. A little bit of butter. Butter. Ooh. Now, normally if you weren't doing something like this, you were making a baked potato, you'd want to put a little bit of cinnamon, maybe a little nutmeg. My secret thing is cardamom and cinnamon, a little turmeric. Little turmeric never hurt nobody, right? So then you put your grated cheese. The cheese is gonna melt in this heat. I may not need to put this back in the air fryer. This is our ground beef with our turkey sausage. My plate pyramid in here in this meal. Now you're gonna put some veggies on it, your vegetables. Get some veggies up in here.
This stuffed baked potato is just that, stuffed with all this flavor and goodness, and it looks so good. And actually really beautiful too. All right, this is definitely a festive party up in here. This baked sweet potato topped with some pepper jack cheese. You already know that's a party right there by itself. A little sweetness, a little hot and spicy. Yeah, then we add the nutrition of our veggies in here. Child, let me tell you, it's about to be on. You know when I start dancing, it's real good. Oh my gosh, these flavors of the turkey sausage, ooh, and that sweet potato and the ground beef. Oh my gosh, it's marrying so well. Let me get some veggies up in here. Let me tell you something. Don't play. The next time you make a baked sweet potato, this here is a winner. This here is a money maker. I'm telling you, you do it just the way I did. Take it to an event. Oh my gosh. OMG. But seriously, all jokes aside, I'm a firm believer in use what you have. So if you don't have any of the turkey sausage at home and all you have is the ground meat, run with it. It's okay. Just season it real good. What's going to be your star, if that's all you have, is make sure you got that pepper jack cheese. That's going to be important. If you don't have any shrimp to garnish on the top, some crispy shrimp, toss in some chili sauce, that's all right too, boo. If you have regular shrimp, you can use that. You have no shrimp at all, it's all good. These are just enhancements. But with the sweet potato, by itself, get your meat seasoned well, get some pepper jack cheese and your veggies, you ready one. Hands down, you're ready one. So here's my call to action. Don't walk out of here, please, without clicking the like button. And if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know every time we upload a new video. Thank you for coming to hang out with me. You ate sweet potato, air fried sweet potato with me. Appreciate you hanging out and kicking it with me. And most of all, health is wealth. Remember that. And remember, be good to yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. And I want to show you my 2 books. If you love salads, here's a book for you. If you love salads. And again, a twist on boring salads. So you get to have a variety and make unique salads. And this book here, Loving Every Bite, just came out. They're both available on Amazon.com. And this has everything in here for everyone. Keto, vegetarian, regular eaters. There's something in here for everyone. And you'll truly enjoy loving every bite of this. Recipes.